Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get unlimited Google Drive storage. New legal trick 2025. First of all, evaluate Google One paid plans or consider Google's Workspace business plans for that offer large pool storage. Next, for terms, set up Google Workspace for business or educational account. These types of plans can provide very large or pool storage. Next, use external backups or additional cloud providers to adjustment drive if you need more space. Safety tip: avoid any hack or unauthorized offers claiming free unlimited storage. They are often scams. Quick fix: if you regularly urgently need space, temporarily move old files to an external drive or another trusted cloud provider while you arrange a paid plan. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.